In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar events directly from Gmail. If you receive an email with meeting details, travel plans, or any important date, you can turn it into a calendar event in just a few clicks, without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Gmail and locating the email that contains the event information you want to capture. If your inbox is busy, try using the search bar with a keyword from the subject or the sender to quickly find it. Once the email is open, look for an Add to Calendar prompt that sometimes appears near the top of the message. If you don't see it there, check the right-hand side panel inside Gmail. You should see a Google Calendar icon. If the side panel is collapsed, click the small arrow to expand it. Click the Add to Calendar link or that calendar icon. This opens a Google Calendar event creation pop-up right inside Gmail. You won't be taken away from your inbox, but you'll have all the key event fields available to review and edit. You'll notice the event title is automatically filled in based on the email subject. Feel free to edit it so it's clear and specific. Short, descriptive titles make it easier to scan your calendar later. Next, review the date and time. Sometimes Gmail detects these automatically, but it's important to verify. Adjust the start and end times as needed, and double-check your time zone if you're coordinating across regions. If it's not a timed event, you can switch it to an all-day event. If the email includes a location, copy it into the location field. Using a full address here helps with directions and maps. Then copy any relevant details from the email like agenda items, confirmation numbers, or links into the description field. This keeps everything you need in one place for easy reference. If you want to invite others, add guests by entering their email addresses. They'll receive an invitation and can RSVP, which makes scheduling and tracking attendance simpler. You can always remove guests later if plans change. Set reminders or notifications so you don't miss it. Choose pop-up notifications, email alerts, or both, and pick a timing that fits your workflow like 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, or a day in advance. Your default calendar settings may already include reminders, but this is your chance to tailor them. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added guests, you may be prompted to send invitations. Go ahead and confirm. That's it. Your event is now on your Google Calendar, created directly from Gmail for maximum convenience.